take an opportunity to welcome to Mayibuye consultation process Comrade Nombuso Mkhize, Mkhize. Comrade Nombuso Mkhize was until a week ago the Deputy Secretary General of Umkhonto weSizwe Party. When I was in the leadership of Umkhonto weSizwe as National Organizer and as Secretary General, I worked with her. She was a Deputy Secretary General, and she's now have to come to join Mayibuye as part of the consultation process. The immediate role that she will play in Mayibuye process is to be the head of presidency, the head of the National Convener's Office, which will be responsible for coordination at the political oversight level of the work that is done by the National Convener, the Deputy Conveners, the National Chair, the Deputy Chair, but also become a seamless integration between the National Convener's Office and that of the Secretary General's Office. She brings about profound and solid experience and knowledge and capacity that will add a lot of value to the smooth functioning of Mayibuye, because the kind of movement that we're building is not just a Mickey Mouse or an organization that doesn't know what it's doing. It's an organization that is founded on professionalism, on clear values and principles that are going to be guided clearly by a collective leadership. So we welcome Comrade Nombuso Mkhize to Mayibuye, and we are having a great journey ahead of us. Welcome, Comrade Nombuso Mkhize, to the leadership of Mayibuye consultation process.
Thank you very much. Greetings to the people of South Africa, the volunteers of Mayibuye. My name is Nombuso Mkhize. I have been the Secretary General, Deputy Secretary General of Umkhonto weSizwe until last week, when I submitted the letter of resignation, which was not influenced by anything or by anyone. I took a sober decision, and that decision is that I am now joining Mayibuye consultation process. I am going to play the roles that the convener has clearly outlined, and I am going to serve this organization with determination and diligence. Since they have started the consultations, I've been following them, and I have learned precisely what is it that this organization stands for, and what is it that we seek to achieve as Mayibuye. The consultation processes that has taken place in a number of provinces has actually guided the leadership, the national leadership, on what is it that the values, the norms that should underpin the formation of the movement. I am humbled that today I am announced and I am welcomed in this fashion. I would like to sincerely extend my appreciation and my sincere gratitude to the leadership collective of this process, the process of consultation. They have done a sterling work which has made it clear to the people out there what is it that Mayibuye Africa as a movement and an organization stands for. Thank you very much for the opportunity. I commit to serve with diligence. Thank you.